Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, the Solana chart is still holding support. Actually, it's holding quite well. Broke out of this descending wedge to the upside, and obviously everybody's waiting now for the decision because the price, as I said before, can give us a fifth wave into the region between $25.50 roughly and $27. Those are pretty much the targets, as long as the wave 4 support is holding. And wave 4 support is holding as long as the $21.60 level is holding. So the 50% retracement is normally the maximum a wave 4 should do. We don't want it to go any lower than that. And as long as it's holding that, we can get the fifth wave. And within the box, you know, the fourth wave can take all shapes and sizes, basically. For example, it could still develop a triangle, even though I'm not really looking for that primarily, but I cannot rule it out. Especially on weekends, we often see sideways action, but to me, it doesn't make a very clear impression of a triangle. So I wouldn't rule it out, but it's just not very evident to me yet. It could become a WXY structure, which might get one more low here. And again, you know, as long as the $21.60 level is holding, I'm not worried about the white wave count. Below that level, however, the white wave count will get increasingly unlikely, and trading on the long side will get increasingly risky. That's what Elliott wave tells us, which Fibonacci levels we should use for which setback, for which wave. And for a wave 4, it's typically at least the 38.2 and the 50% Fib level, maybe the 23.6. In this case, you can see the market has reacted, or the price has reacted a little bit to the 23.6 retracement level at $23.16. But yeah, I mean, the ideal target for a fourth wave is the 38.2 Fib level. Yeah. What we can also do, we can double check with a log chart if it makes any difference. Not really. So you can see switching between log and linear doesn't make any difference here in the short term. Not really. Okay. So it's sort of $21.60 that needs to hold. Important is still this micro resistance. Okay, so obviously wave 4 could be finished. We have 3 waves down. Okay, it could be finished. Can always extend, you know, until we see a break above the wave 3 high. It could still all, you know, be within the wave 4. But it has now reached a length, also time-wise, where the wave 4 can be finished. Now, obviously, I'm already on the 1 hour chart. We see 3 waves down. It doesn't need any lower. So I'm just watching here for enough upside momentum. I mean, tomorrow is end of the weekly candle. Maybe we see a little bit of action there. Maybe this is going to form, you know, a price channel. I looked at it earlier today. Maybe. I think we have basically enough touch points to maybe consider here some kind of a channel maybe. So you could just test that lower boundary line again. So what you do, you connect basically, I mean, probably more accurate is actually, 1 second. Normally I should connect waves, the end of wave 3 with the top of wave 1. So let's just do that, do it again. That's the more accurate way of drawing channels in Elliott wave. You know, different ways of doing it, but that's how you would do it with Elliott wave. And it gives you a potential target for the fourth wave. So yeah, let's see if it reacts to that lower boundary line, and then it could give us another high. And then as soon as we have the wave 4 complete, the price could reach the upper boundary line of the trend channel. I leave it on the chart like that. It's not super reliable, but it's something to watch. Certainly, potentially a parallel channel that the market is adhering to. We'll see. It's not super reliable, but one more thing to watch here, obviously. And yeah, I mean, as long as we're in the channel, anyway, no problem. Below that level, $21.60 will become relevant. And to the upside, we've got $25.50 to $27. And then we just need to be patient and let the market do its thing. Certainly, you see a nice relationship between wave 2 and 4. They look similar in length. We could get one or two more days here. 1 or 2 more days. And that would also fill in the channel. And it would also mean that I think both are roughly taking the same time. I mean, wave 2 took a week. So wave 4 started on the 2nd of October. Yeah, another couple of days maybe. And then we can see that fifth wave. We'll see. It will be interesting. it's probably enough, in the current situation, it's probably enough for Bitcoin to push higher. Let's imagine Bitcoin goes to 30K. I mean, Bitcoin is just below resistance. So if Bitcoin goes to 30, 29 to 30, I mean, probably we'll get our fifth wave. And then it will be really interesting because in a subsequent pullback, then after 5 waves up, a 3-wave pullback should hold support. And then we could get a 3rd wave rally to the upside into the $34, $35 region. That's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Tomorrow we've got our member live stream at 5 p.m. UTC. We're going to talk about how to trade a 4th and a 5th wave generally, as sort of, how to trade Elliott waves, educational topic. So it's actually quite interesting that we have here a 4th and a 5th wave. So maybe you're interested, check out the membership links in the description. Also, as a member, you get access to a lot of educational content, plus chat room access, plus you get access to short-term signals and market updates for gold members. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.